Square foot gardening is where you pretty much make these little boxes that are the length and width are a foot each, so it's 1 foot by 1 foot, these little boxes, and then you fill it with your compost or soil or whatever really you're using to grow the plants in. And then what you do, you pretty much just grow little plants in these little boxes, and then you can transplant them into bigger boxes in gardens and things that would be more well-suiting for all of the plants when they get bigger and change their size.
Overall, square foot gardening was an idea developed. It wasn't our idea. It was actually something that many people use nationwide. The idea for square foot gardening is to have a very healthy garden that isn't infested by weeds. As you can tell, I put chicken wire under the actual square foot garden that I built. And the chicken wire, what it does is it allows some flush movements of water to go through the actual soil, but also eliminates any kind of weeds that can go up and into the soil that creates a problem when you're planting into a regular garden that makes it more easier and more accessible when it comes to planting. What we had done to overall make this project complete is we started out with peat pellets. So peat pellets, peat overall is basically 1/3 or a little fraction of compost. It's very natural and it does good for plants. And peat pellets are just little pellets. They're wrapped in a synthetic fabric, and you drop the seed inside the peat pellet and cover it with other kinds of dirt, and eventually with water and sunlight it'll grow. And that's how you get your basic start for planting. And so today what we're going to do is we're going to mix the compost that was already pre-made through the classroom, which is over there, and we're also going to start it out with potting soil as well.
And compost was from an earlier science fair project at the beginning of the year that every student was participating in our school-wide science fair. So they had to qualify at the classroom level first, and this was a project set up as a little display of what the bigger project was being done at the students' home. So we have composted that over the course of the year, and it's available for them to use in their project now. So just piggybacking on someone else's project. So do you need the step stool guys to step up and get the compost out of there? Sam and Jake are going to be taking this display, and we've already put in our application to Leonardtown, Maryland. They have an Earth Day on the Square in April, and so these gentlemen are going to be taking this display up there, and they're going to be part of our class project. There are 3 groups that are going up, and they're going to be proponents of positive environmental activities for people of all ages.